Microchip Technology's IoT Ethernet monitoring kit is preloaded with Microchip firmware and the Media One cloud service for quickly developing IoT designs. The kit is based on a high-performance PIC32MZ EF family MCU, with production-ready firmware based on MPLAB Harmony, Wolf MQTT, and FreeRTOS. The board has a microbus socket, and the firmware is pre-configured to support pressure, temperature and humidity, air quality, and motion clickboards for rapid prototyping, with hundreds of additional clickboards available. The IoT Ethernet monitoring kit is designed for reliable and stable connectivity and uses the Microchip LAN 8740A Fast Ethernet PHY, using the Wolf SSL library for a secure cloud connection. With the integration of Media One's IoT cloud service and mobile apps, users can immediately process sensor data in real time with no additional programming.